Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. My name is Leslie and I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, how about thinking about subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Normally I'm doing cooking videos or a few farming videos, but here recently we've been remodeling our home, and so that's what we've been involved in recently. But normally I'm doing cooking videos. So if this is something you'd be interested in, or if you just want to hang around for some laughs, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of the Farm and Pastor's Wife YouTube family. So today we're doing something a little different. We had an afternoon surprise. Some friends invited us to do something a little new, so stay tuned. I took the camera along, which means you guys went with me. Okay, so if you've watched my channel long enough, you know that I love to fish. Bryant loves to fish. We usually only get to do fishing when we go to the beach, or we take our annual beach fishing trip. But we got to do something a little different this week. Some friends of us invited us to go with them, and they were going to teach us how to fish for catfish using pool noodles. Now, I've seen this done before, but didn't know how it worked and couldn't fully grasp the concept. Now I got it. So, let me go ahead and apologize up front. I had Bryant take the camera and had him do most of the filming and most of the talking because I didn't want to miss any of the fishing or to miss any aspect of it. So for the most part, he did most of the filming, and he didn't realize his finger is over the camera a lot of the time. So you'll just have to overlook his finger over the camera, or his wobbliness, or his whatever, or missing a lot of the things that he was capturing or trying to capture. He missed. So just forgive that, overlook it. I wasn't really going to film this as far as for a video, but I thought you guys may like it, because this was a really cool concept. So stay tuned. You're going to learn how to fish for catfish or any fish using a swimming pool. See, blooper number 1, a swimming pool noodle. So come on, let's go. Headed to the lake with friends. Yay!
All right, guys, we're out here on Baden Lake. It is Tuesday afternoon, hanging out with some of our buddies from church, Jeff and Susan. They have graciously brought us out here. We're going to do, some people call it noodle fishing. When you say noodling, a lot of people think of sticking your hand up in a hole and pulling the catfish out, but what this is some pool noodles with some shad bait. Got some weight in the PVC pipe. You'll see it in operation in a second. We're getting all set up, ready to check it out. So pretty simple operation. It's a 1/2-inch PVC pipe cut about 16 inches. Got a weight in it, so when you let it down, it'll stand up on an end. It stands up on the end, and so when when you get a bite, it'll actually stand up or go sideways, right, Jeffro? Yeah. So we'll show you what it looks like before you get a bite, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like after you get a bite. So beautiful if we get a bite. Yeah. All right, Jeff is showing Les how it works.
Now, when a fish hits it,
Giving her instruction.
and it will stand it up like so. It'll be
Right.
more standing up for the fish.
It lays flat.
Jeff, give instructions to us.
It look at there. It lays flat. And then the weight's in the tube.
Yep.
And so when it gets a bite, it'll stand it up just like kind of like a cork. So anyway, hang tight. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's probably about 83 degrees maybe right now, and about 5:30 in the evening. So everything's come together. Hang tight, guys.
Hang tight.
We're going fishing. All right, guys, not sure what you can see right there behind me, but there's a blue noodle right there. Look a little farther back, there's a pink noodle. Those are the first two lines that we've set. They'll lay flat like that, and when the catfish hits the bait and they actually take the bait, they'll actually stand up. That weight will slide down that PVC pipe, and it will actually cause it to stand up. So first two lines are set. We've got about 7 or 8 more to set, and so here we go. Hang tight. We'll bring you back in a second. On Farming Pastor's Wife this week, catfish nuggets.
Taking it under.
All right, guys, here we go. Got the first hit right here. You can see he's got the noodle pulling it. Look at there.
Oh my goodness.
Must
It's a goner.
must be a decent sized little fish. Look at there. He is taking it. So, as they say on Wicked Tuna, we got a screamer.
It's a scraper.
It's a screamer.
I don't see it. Where's it?
To your left, Jeff. Look at there. Here we go.
I'm gonna have to scoop it with that.
Because it, you see it standing up there, so it's been out
I got another one over.
about 7 minutes, 7, 8 minutes. So we got about 7 lines in the water, 6 lines in the water, and so
I can hear it's come through. That's how I hate
we
controlling
can,
them. I never did one.
all right. The adventure has started. We're gonna film this. Miss Susan's in the nose of the boat here. The Farming Pastor's Wife has got the net. She's ready.
All right, Leslie, ready?
All right, here we go.
Get it, Susan.
Get you guys a little close here for the action.
Oh, it went under.
One
I
on.
can't see it, but I'm like,
I got it.
Susan's
All
got it.
What do I do?
just
All
let me
right, give it to Jeff.
Don't get them.
Don't go far, Les. Here we go. We'll see what we
Okay.
got. All right, here we go.
I do things right here, they're stinking.
Yeah.
Here we go, Mom.
All right. We'll toss them back.
Toss him back.
First one for the day. All right, he lives to see another day.
Yay.
All right.
Was that hole in there before?
Let's see. Let's see what happens
now.
next. All right, guys. Been about 5 minutes since we caught that other one. You can see.
Now we're going to shallow.
Let me zoom in right here. Watch that noodle right there.
Grab it if you want to.
Watch it. See, it's just dragging it right there. It'll stand it back up again. See, that pink may be a little hard for y'all to see it, but that's that pink noodle right there.
No.
I think he's still in there.
All right. Somebody give
Let's
her.
see.
You go.
There he goes. You see
No,
it?
you go ahead.
Susan's gonna grab it again.
And it's gone.
Gone under the
Right
boat.
here. Right there.
There you go. Grab it,
Grab
Les.
it, Leslie. Oh.
Jeffro's got it right here. Jeff has got it.
Go to front.
Go to the front.
I don't believe it's near as big.
Not as big, he says. Let's see what we
Each
got.
sides.
Oh yeah, here we go. What we got? Oh yeah, about a little pound and a
I love how they
half.
roll. They're so fun to catch.
Oh yeah, here we go.
So just pull them up
There
with
you
50
go.
pound braid.
About a pound and a half.
Catch you behind the
About
keel.
20 inches right there.
Give me those.
Look at there. Who's Bill
Pliers.
Dance? Instead of Bill Dance, it's Jeff Dance. Look at there. Yeah, this is true Randolph County Redneck 101. Catfish. Number 2.
Hey, that's 2 with less than
Number
10
2.
minutes.
Less than 10 minutes.
See ya.
All right.
Catch your brother.
Let's see what else we can wear out. All right, guys. We just had a little bite right here on this one here. Checking the bait on it. Got a little bit of bait left. We'll throw it back out. Look over there, the pink one. I don't know if you can see the pink one, but she's dancing like a wild woman on Saturday night. So we're gonna get over there and see what's happening. They're laughing at my analogy about the wild woman on Saturday night. So anyway,
I got all three. I was going to say I'm missing one.
so we'll slide over here and check it out. Seems like they're drawn to pink. We must be catching
That's what I
girls.
was gonna say.
Must be catching girls today or something.
Like all the pink ones.
Yeah.
See, that's still on there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's swimming.
It's bouncing. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. That's how we fish right there. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. I don't know about y'all, but something sounds a little fishy. All right, here we go. Susan's in the lead here on the nose. She's gonna swoop down and grab it like that. All right, she did. Oh yeah, she's got it here. Let's see.
Cut your finger.
All right, that's a pretty decent little fish. Can't tell what's happening. Jeff's bringing it to the front of the boat right here. He's kind of under the side. Yeah, about another pound and a half, it looks like.
Catfish, that may be, that's a largemouth, Susan.
That's a largemouth bass.
It's a bass, they say, they
I
think.
think that sound like a...
Look at there. It is a bass. Let's see what size we got. Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
About a 4-pounder. Look at that.
Pretty.
Yeah, about a 4-pounder, maybe 5-pounder. Jeff, what do you think?
That's good.
Yeah, that's a nice
There
one.
you go, Susan. Hold
That's Billy, the largemouth bass, right there.
Leslie, there's my phone.
Susan's-
This thing will drop this thing.
Susan and Jeff have 2 daughters that's in Zambia, Africa this week on a mission trip.
I'll get my camera.
And so they're going to take a
Got another
picture.
over here.
Hey,
Oh.
got another
There's
bouncing,
another blue one.
another bouncing over there. Listen, y'all have got to try this wherever you're at. So,
You gotta hold them tight. I mean, squeeze as hard as you can.
all right, gonna take some pictures here, and we're going to get the other noodle. All right, guys, the farming pastor's wife has
Not
hang
on
on.
there.
She says it's not on there. We
Come
had
on.
had a hit, but all right,
Just throw it back out.
just gonna reset it here. Fix your weight, make it lay flat, Mom. That's it.
That's a newer one there.
All right, we're checking the next one here.
Bait's still on it.
Bait's still on it.
Just reset it out here.
That's why they call it fishing, guys. Guys, here we are. Turn it sideways here. Had another one. Got it hitting right here. Jeffro's pulling it up right here. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, another nice little catfish. Once again, about a 20-inch again, pound and a half. If you look over there, you'll see. I can't see too well on this camera because it's
No, it's not bobbing.
behind me. Okay,
But that's all right.
got one over there straight up. We're getting ready to go check it. It's not bobbing or being pulled. Here we go, just throwing it back. So we're going to check another one. We're rolling. All right.
Check the bait.
Checking the bait here. We're thinking nothing there. No bait, no nothing. They slipped us on that one. All right, guys, got a little action. Got one standing up over here. And Leslie's checking this one here. We don't know. We had a hit, but then it grab it fast, Mama. You got it?
All
right.
right. On.
All right.
Go ahead and wind it up.
Nothing on it. Nothing on it. All right, we're gonna check this one right here. I don't know what y'all can see.
Bunch of fish with marker bunch. I believe that's maybe white perch, something small.
Yeah. So,
Just turn them up. Pretty good size hook.
all right, this one's standing up, but there's no movement to it. That weight slid down to the end of that PVC shank. Anything on it, baby doll? Nope, that one's empty too. So, all right,
Wait a minute.
hang on, false alarm.
No, we're not gonna.
Okay, then
Grab
it's
that right here. Let me get that one.
All right.
Let me have that one.
another false alarm.
Hey guys, Bryant's fighting him one. What is it? Woo! A big old bass.
Right up.
Well,
Nice one.
pretty. That's the yum dinger at work.
Yeah, that's
What is that to watermelon?
Nice watermelon with red flakes.
Watermelon with red flake yum dinger.
There it is.
All right, we got one on a noodle.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in here. I think it's a whole line of holding.
Woo, looky there.
Another nice one.
Another nice catfish. Today's catch and release because we all forgot our coolers. Good night.
Like, hand me the pliers.
Not the first time she's ever seen a train, but only going across this bridge.
Get up a little closer, Biff.
guys, we're reeling them in and maybe gonna throw them out again somewhere. One more at a different place. But right in front of us is the dam. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. There's water coming out of the center. We'll get to see Bryant try to hang on through these waves here.
Oh, I'm so tempted. Oh, the devil's tempting me right now.
Susan has got a prime opportunity to push her pastor, baptize her pastor. So, wasn't that cool? I mean, it was just really fun. I do, you know, miss the feeling it hit the rod, but it's kind of fun to trying to catch the noodle. And y'all, I was really out of my comfort zone because I don't swim, and I'm a little bit afraid of water, and little bit being an understatement. So for me to get out there on the front of that boat was like a huge miracle. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to take you along. It's not going to be much longer before we're going to be heading on vacation, and I'll be taking you guys along. I just had Chinese food. Sorry. I'll be taking you guys along for that as well. So thanks for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. And we'll be proving that real soon as this remodel's done.